Brave is a form of way of achieving excellence. It's a way that I can set myself up for success in the future.
To me, it's a network of not just African American, but minorities. It's a network that provides academic and social support to people who might need it and people who might be new to the college campus.
It's like a group of brothers looking out for each other and making sure that we all succeed to the best that we can.
We're able to connect and, uplift one another.
I've enjoyed it. It's like a little small community that's slowly working its way out.
Benefit me, it gave me like many options to think about moving forward once I graduate and what kind of other schools I want to go into.
It's helped me get advice, it's helped me meet new people, it's offered opportunities for me to get involved and sharpen my skills.
Because I think there's a lot of beauty, a lot of strength in admitting that you can't do it all on your own. So being around people that want to help you is the best place you could be at.
There's plenty of events and things that happens on this campus that allows me to grow. There's been a financial literacy one that happened recently that's taught me how to better manage my money.
The seminar on financial literacy, and I was really interested because I felt like I'm 19, I should start to learn about things like that so it doesn't bite me when I get older.
Really, I like the barbershop talks. We can see other perspectives of other people and we can gain information.
Being able to be around other like-minded individuals and be able to speak freely and know you're not going to be judged for how you feel on something, I thought was very liberating to be a part of.
Everybody will look after you, so I say you should join and worry about the rest later.
But once you join, it's like you have brothers that you never had, and you can have someone to talk to.
It's a way to get a new outlook on the world, and I think that's what Brave means to me.